The Google Chrome extension is a go-to tool for every developer and tester, ensuring greater productivity and saving time on manual cross-browser testing. However, installing each Chrome extension repeatedly while running cross-browser tests becomes cumbersome. To make your life easier, we have rolled out a preloaded Chrome extension, allowing you to add Chrome extensions before starting the test session, saving you time from adding them repeatedly. Wondering how? Let's dive into it. First, from your Lambda test dashboard, head to Real Time, select your preferred OS, browser and resolution, and click Start. You can also add your preferred Chrome extension at Advanced by clicking the Chrome extension button. Click on Add New Extension and simply paste the Chrome extension URL. And there you go, you have successfully added your Chrome extension. Another way of installing Chrome extensions is by heading to the Chrome extensions option from the left sidebar and pasting the extension URL of your preferred Chrome extension.
For this video, we will add a Lambda test extension called LTDebug. Click on the plus sign to add. To install the extension, click on the Chrome extensions option from the left sidebar again and click the toggle on. Now the extension has been successfully installed. Click on the plugins option in your browser and select the extension you just installed. And there you go. You can now use your added Chrome extension while performing browser testing of your website or web application. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, do subscribe to the Lambda Test YouTube channel for more such videos.